Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. And in previous videos, we have seen lookup function part 1 and part 2. So in lookup function part 3, we are going to learn how to use VLOOKUP within a sheet, in different sheets, in different workbooks, and how to copy VLOOKUP. So friends, if you want to learn Excel, you can go through my channel playlist, and in playlist you can find Excel for beginners and Excel level 2 folders. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to Excel, first of all, let us start with VLOOKUP within a sheet. So you can see there is a student marks table. Now I want to find the student name called Mishra is science marks, right? So I want to find student Mishra's science marks. To find this, I will use VLOOKUP. So let me type is equal to VL tab. So first one is the VLOOKUP value, right? So I will select G4, which is Mishra. Comma, next one, it's a table array, right? So leaving the column heading, I will select whole table. Okay, you should select whole table other than the column heading, right? Now comma, next it's a column index. So what was the column index? It's a 3, right? So I will type 3, comma, next is it approximate match or exact match? So I will type exact match. So I want exact match, so I will type 0. So you will use 0 for a exact match and 1 for approximate match. So let me close, enter. Nice. Now you can see this is a science marks, and what is the Mishra science marks? It's a 97. Nice. Now you can see it's a 97, right? So we got the right answer. Now let us move to the next one. How we can do the VLOOKUP if it is in the different sheet? So what I have done, I have copied the same table in the sheet 7, right? This is the sheet 5, and now I have copied the same in the sheet 7, right? So this is also same. The table I have just copied from the sheet 5 to sheet 7, right? So now let us see how we can do VLOOKUP in different sheets, right? So let me type is equal to VLOOKUP. So same again, select the lookup value is also same, comma. Now go to the sheet 7. Here you select the table same, again select the whole table array. So leaving the table heading, right? So you can see here formula sheet 7 C4 is to F22. That means it is selecting from C4 to F22, right? So now I will just keep comma here, and which column it is? Science is the third column, so I will type 3 here, comma. Is it a exact match or a approximate match? It's the exact match, so I will type 0, close bracket, enter. Nice. Now you can see I got answer 75. So let me check Akash Yadav 75. So here is the science marks. Okay, so you can see here Akash Yadav, right? Akash Yadav science marks, it's a 75. Nice. So we got the answer. So let us see once again the formula. So everything is same. Only thing is instead of table array, it has consumed as sheet 7, and in sheet 7 C4 to F22. That's it. So remaining are same. Nice. Now let us move to the different workbooks. So I have copied the same table into the next workbook. So you can see here this workbook name is lookup, right? So let me go to the next one. It's a VLOOKUP workbook. This is a VLOOKUP workbook, and here I have copied the same table. Okay, so you can see here the same table I have copied here. Okay, so now I want Imtiaz, right? So Imtiaz science marks, right? So to get that, again I will go to the same place. I will type is equal to same again VLOOKUP VL tab. Okay, so again same Imtiaz, comma, next I will go to the sheet VLOOKUP. Here I will select whole table again. Okay, so you can see here it is showing as G6, which is a VLOOKUP, comma, VLOOKUP.XSL. This is a sheet name. Okay, in the sheet 6, see, you can see here in that sheet 6, again it's a B5 to E23. So this is how it has selected. Now let me keep comma. So which column? Again third column, comma. Now again which approximate or exact match? It's a exact match. So let me type 0, close bracket, enter. Right. Now you can see a formula how we got. So G6 is the Imtiaz, VLOOKUP.XSL, which is a workbook name, and sheet 6, which is a sheet name, and after that B5 is to E23. Okay, that's a table array. After that comma column name, comma absolute, sorry, it's a exact match. Nice. So we got the right answer. You can see 65. So let me go to the VLOOKUP table. Here you can see it's a 65. Nice. Science marks is 65. Nice. So we got the right answer, right? So let me go to the next topic. This is how we can how to copy the VLOOKUP. Okay. So suppose I want a Mishra's marks to copy it. I will just sorry. I want to copy the science marks. Okay. To into the remaining sheet. Okay. So for example, let us assume instead of science, I will type as max. Okay. So max marks. Okay. So I will do a VLOOKUP separately. Right. So let me remove all this one. Okay. Now again, how to do VLOOKUP is equal to VL tab, select the Mishra, comma, again whole table array, right? So I will this time what I will do, I will make it as a uh, absolute, right? Because I don't want to change, so I will use function F4, right? So when I drag, it should not change, so that's why I am making it as a absolute reference, comma, column index, it's a 2, max this time 2, comma, exact match, close bracket, enter. Nice. Now you can see I got 69. Next it's Akash Yadav. What is Akash Yadav? It's a 97, right? So let me drag. See, nice. I got the 97. Next it's Imtiaz 90, Gaurav 78, and Aisha Fatima 67. So let me drag and check whether it will come correct or not. Nice. I got the right answer. You can see here 90 for Imtiaz, Gaurav it's a 78, and Aisha Fatima 69. Nice. Suppose if I want Mishra's science and social marks. So let me keep a heading here. I will do science. Okay. Science, and I will, okay, miss the E. Okay. Science. Next, social. Right. So I will type social. Right. Now I want science and social marks. So let me drag this one. Oops, I got the error. Why we got the error? Let us see. So let me check on the sign. See what happened. First one, it should not be H4, right? So instead of G4, Mishra it has changed into the H4. And the second thing is the column should change, right? So when I drag, the sign should become third column, right? So both are not changing, right? So what we can do in the first cell itself, find the first lookup when we are doing, you should make the G as a permanent, right? G should not change, so I should log G. So I will say function F4 one time, function F4 two time, function F4 three time. Nice. Now I have log G, so I don't want to log 4, right? So I just want to log G. So other thing is I want to change the column according to the situation, right? So if I drag, automatically column should change. So what can I do? I will use a function called column. So let me type columns. Okay, so remember it's a columns, not column. And now you just select only the row. So here you can see Bhavani, right? So Bhavani and till max I will, okay, so till max I will do, and I will just close the bracket. And remember, first cell should not change because we are matching with matching the VLOOKUP with the first cell, right? So first one, it should be same, it should not change. So I will, what I will do, again I will log the first cell, right? So let me enter, click enter. Nice. Now I got 67. So if I drag, I should get 97 and 75. So let me check. Nice. Now you can also drag down. So let us see how we can whether it work or not. Yes. So you can see here 97, 75 and 78. Nice. Third one, it's Imtiaz 90, 65 and 89. 90, 65 and 89. Very good. Next, Gaurav 78, 86 and 90. Nice. 78, 86 and 90. Next to Aisha Fatima 69, 97 and 75. Nice. So this is how we can copy the formulas in the rows and columns, right? So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.